is it?
Why don't you open the door and find out?
Are you the detective?
Me? Oh no. I'm a serial killer! Ah! I'm just joking. Yes, I'm your PI. Hey, come on. I was just joking. You know, some good old-fashioned leg pulling.
So, you're not a serial killer?
Of course not. What kind of moron serial killer would tell their victim that anyway?
I don't know, a silly one, I guess.
A silly serial killer.
Yeah, what about it?
Okay, enough of this. Open the door. I'm here to discuss the disappearance of Zendaya.
Considering you know about that, means that either you are the detective, or you killed the detective and read his emails.
First off, I'm not a detective. Don't call me that. I've never been a cop, and I never will be. Secondly, I am this close to going back to my car and calling it a day. So, can we please just get on with this, man?
No. I need your help. I'll never find Zendaya by myself.
Ain't that the truth? Let's get started.
So, tell me, what exactly happened the day of the kidnapping?
I don't know if I can. Like, every time I start thinking about it, I start getting lightheaded.
How do you expect me to do any investigating if I don't even know what happened?
Well, you do know. Zendaya's been kidnapped. That's like the most important thing here.
No, I need more than that. If you tell me exactly what the kidnapper did, I may be able to link his actions to those of other kidnappers
Nope.
and maybe get an ID.
No. I can't do it. It's too scary. Nope.
Oh my god.
Nope.
Just snap out of it, man. Think, damn it. Just spit it out.
All right, okay. Fine.
There we go. Just had to knock some sense into ya. Haha. Get it? Because...
Okay. Here's what happened. Yesterday evening, a man broke into my home, kidnapped Zendaya, and ran into the base.
Who the hell are you?
Hi, my name is Frank. My friends call me Pibby.
What? Why?
You're looking for the beautiful Zendaya, aren't you?
Yeah. The hell have you done with her?
Don't worry, she's right here.
What?
I'm afraid Zendaya really likes me now. She'll be staying with me tonight.
It's not even a real bird.
How dare you?
Pippi! What are you doing with Zendaya?
Ah, Jake. How wonderful for you to join us. Like I told your friend, Zendaya is going to be leaving with me tonight.
No!
Oh.
Hey, well, where are you going?
Now I see why you didn't call the cops. Okay.
Did you now?